Want to make an electronic copy of your advisee's family weekend schedules, you can click on Matt's Schedules by Advisor attachment and search for your advisee's name. So I'm going to do Command F, and here I'm going to enter Almira's last name because she is my first advisee. And I'm going to see that on this 297 page document, Almira's is here on page 206, and my last advisee is on page 211. So I'm going to remember that 206 to 211, and I'm going to hit the print icon here, which opens up a new tab of that whole PDF. And in this dialog page, I'm going to set my destination to save as PDF. And the pages I want to print will be custom, and it's pages 206 to 211. And on this preview here, I see that Almira is the first page and Talia is my last page, so those are mine. And I'm going to hit save. This is going to save to my desktop, and I'm going to name it Advisee's Fall Family Weekend. Hit save. Then I can go back to my email and open up a new message to my advisees and attach the PDF that I just saved to my desktop. So schedule for advisees. And I guess I could technically send each advisee their own single page, but I'm just going to send them all everybody's schedule. So hopefully that's helpful to everybody. Thanks. Bye.